Google's calendar is very good, especially since it has started to integrate smart features like smart goals or smart suggestions. But it may not convince you. Sometimes you don't need the application to think so much for you, but you want to have the power to fiddle with and customize to your liking. Business calendar. It is more suitable for work, although it can be of equal use to anyone who uses the calendar extensively. The design is a little bit sober, but it makes up for it with an extensive list of features. It highlights the number of views available, including the year view, although you can also choose precisely by means of a slider how many days you want to see. It integrates to-do lists, exclusive calendars for birthdays, and a multitude of customization options. Digital. Digital includes a view of the agenda, day of the week, weekly agenda, month with text, and year. The latter is paid. The interface is modern, with 2 free themes and 6 widgets to choose from. Digital includes a good number of customization options, and although several of them, such as additional calendars, are reserved for the Plus version, the free version is fully functional and perfect for those who are not happy with any two calendar. After looking at the previous calendars, you have probably realized that they are all serious and very similar in their appearance. What if you don't need that much of a calendar? What if you just want a simple calendar that is pretty? Call Calendar from the creators of Any.do, with which it integrates perfectly. It's not the most powerful or the one with the most options, but it is one of the most pleasant to look at. The animations make it a bit heavy for those who make extensive use of the calendar, but for the casual user it is a refreshing approach.